Honorable Ministers, the hierarchy of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, and of course my teammates, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very special evening. A lot has been said, and everything that has been said is damn right. Being the youngest man in that party, all I'll tell you, it changed my life that day at Lord's. Even before the World Cup started, in me there was a kind of self-belief that told me that India can go the distance. Now what actually happened at the end is history. I do believe India will win the World Cup around the corner. It's not far away. They've got a team in the making and it'll happen. But till it happens, let's not forget that the 25th of June was the day that changed the face of Indian cricket once and for all. And when I say change the face of Indian cricket, it's not just amongst cricket lovers. It's everybody concerned not only with the game. The corporates got behind the team. The media gave the team the importance and the recognition they deserved. Recognition is a word which I'll end my speech with. That's the importance of this evening. In Kapil Dev, we have one of the greatest players to have ever got onto the world stage. I don't use the word Indian here. It's the world stage. One of the finest players to have represented the country. He was inspirational. He had an intuition which somehow told him that this is what had to be done at that particular period of time. An absolute natural. He played cricket that way. He captained the side in that fashion. I'm sure he lives life in that fashion too. And it was that kind of inspiration and brilliance that pulled India out of jail. We were gone against Zimbabwe. I was the fifth guy or the sixth guy to get out with the score 17 on the board when he transformed the entire game with individual brilliance. Unfortunately, it's not on tape, but if it was on tape, it would be one of the hottest properties that ever existed. Now, I'm not going to bore you long. All I'll say is what Roger Binney said a little while ago. When you win something of this magnitude, it inspires everyone. It inspires us as teammates. We'll stay friends for the rest of our lives. Rest assured, there'll be an odd, a little tickle here or there in the media. That is bound to happen. You know, you're meant to wear gloves and you're meant to fight. But you get the same guys in a room and I promise you, everything will be forgotten. It started in just signing bats half an hour before we came here in Kapil's room. There was a little tickle that happened. Now that's going to carry on even later. It was Yashpal and Shrikant taking off on each other. It was brilliant to see. But that rest apart, I'm looking forward for that to continue. But at the end of it all I would say is, as the youngest man in that World Cup team, what it's done for me as a person in the media and as a cricketer is that it's the proudest moment of my life to be part of an Indian team for those 3 years that conquered the world. Now hear me carefully. World Cup was the start, the inspiration. The Asia Cup, the Rockman's Cup, the Benson Hedges Cup, the World Championship of Cricket, all in a span of 3 years, all overseas, all a winning Indian team. And it all started with 1983. Many thanks to the Board of Control for Cricket in India to give us the recognition. As a team, they call it Kapil's Devils. They deserve that recognition for sheer brilliance. It's a tournament that captivated the imagination of the whole nation. And people will never forget it as long as they live, no matter if they follow the game or not. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for the support shown today. Sunny, for taking the initiative and organizing this function with your company. Fantastic job. and the sponsors who've come out here and supported one and all. Kapil Dev, champion. Well done.